Hey, have you heard about Xreal Glasses? They're supposed to replace TVs and projectors.
What are you talking about? How can glasses replace a big screen TV?
It's all about augmented reality. With Xreal Glasses, you can project a 150-inch screen anywhere, on your wall, in midair, wherever.
That sounds cool, but I don't think it's the same as a real TV or projector. Isn't it just a gimmick?
Not at all. It's way more versatile. For example, in the office, you can use them for presentations without needing a bulky projector setup.
But what about brightness? Projectors struggle in daylight, and TVs are brighter.
Good point, but Xreal Glasses are designed with high brightness displays. Plus, they're personal, so ambient light doesn't matter as much. You can watch Netflix in broad daylight.
Okay. But what about sound? TVs and projectors usually come with good speakers.
True, but Xreal Glasses pair seamlessly with wireless earbuds or headphones. That means no echo in open spaces, and you get immersive surround sound without disturbing others.
Still not convinced. What's the advantage over a regular TV besides portability?
Portability is huge. Imagine watching movies while lying in bed, cooking in the kitchen, or even traveling. No need to carry a TV or set up a projector.
See your point, but what about practical uses at work? Can they really replace projectors there?
Absolutely. In meetings, you can display slides, charts, or documents directly in front of you without needing a screen. And since it's private, sensitive info stays secure.
Wait, private? So no one else can see what I'm looking at?
Exactly. That's perfect for reviewing confidential files or discreetly taking photos during client meetings. Just snap a pic with the built-in camera and no one will notice.
Okay, that's kinda cool. But how does it work at home? Like, can I still have movie nights with my family?
Totally. You can connect Xreal Glasses to external screens if you want everyone to join in. Or each person can wear their own pair and sync up for a shared experience.
Interesting. But isn't it expensive compared to a normal TV?
Actually, it's cheaper in the long run. Think about it, no need for multiple TVs, projectors, or cables. Plus, Xreal Glasses double as AR tools for gaming, fitness, and productivity apps.
Alright, let's say I buy it. Any tips for using it effectively?
Sure. At home, use it for discreet video calls. You won't need a webcam or monitor cluttering your desk. At work, try hands-free note-taking by dictating into your glasses while viewing docs.
And what about privacy concerns? Won't people think I'm recording them secretly?
Great question. Xreal Glasses have an indicator light when the camera is active, so people know when you're recording. Always ask permission before snapping pics or videos.
Got it. One last thing. How comfortable are they to wear for hours?
They're lightweight and ergonomically designed, so you can wear them for hours without strain. Plus, they come with adjustable straps for a snug fit.
Okay, you've convinced me. Maybe I'll give them a shot. Thanks for the info.
No problem. Trust me, once you go Xreal, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them.